Have you ever wondered why some creators explode online while others struggle, even when they post every single day? Well, the answer hides in two massive niches that quietly rule the internet: tech and lifestyle. Stick around, because in just a minute, we'll get into the stats that nobody else is showing you. And when you look at the real numbers, the gap between these worlds is way bigger and way more profitable than you think. Let's start with the big picture. Back in 2025, the global creator economy didn't just grow. It surged to $250 billion, while affiliate marketing alone hit $17 billion. And here's the twist. Tech creators pulled in roughly 25% of that through SaaS, AI, and e-learning, an industry worth $400 billion by 2025 and racing upward with a 20% compound annual growth rate. Meanwhile, lifestyle creators dominated in scale, claiming 40% of the market through wellness, beauty, and travel, tied to a $6.3 trillion wellness economy projected to reach $9 trillion by 2028 at a 7.4% compound annual growth rate. Demographics? That's a story too. About 54% of creators were male, with 32% aged 35 to 44. Tech naturally leaned toward professional males, about 60%, while lifestyle attracted 55% female and a powerful wave of Gen Z, 62.7% of whom prioritize sustainability. And if you've ever wondered where the money comes from, the US alone holds 57% of all affiliates. Now, money. Tech creators average $7,418 per month, with 20 to 70% recurring commissions and YouTube CPMs of $10 to $20. Lifestyle creators might seem softer, until you see beauty influencers pulling in $12,475 per month, with 5 to 30% commissions and CPMs between $5 and $15. And let's not forget the 78% of consumers who buy based on influencer recommendations, mostly in lifestyle categories. User behavior seals the deal. Tech converts at 2.1%, with high LTV products averaging $3,900 per course, while lifestyle thrives on 30% repeat purchases, 5% CTR, and impulse-driven decisions. And platforms reflect the same. Tech dominates YouTube with tutorials, software, and reviews using tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Blinkist, and Grammarly, while lifestyle rules Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest with Canva-powered visuals, hauls, routines, and travel diaries. Growth? Between 2022 and 2025, Tech's compound annual growth rate hit a massive 26.8%, climbing from $200 billion to $407 billion, while lifestyle grew more steadily at 4.6%, from $5.5 trillion to $6.3 trillion. Looking toward 2028, baseline projections put tech at $619 billion and lifestyle around $8.4 trillion, with optimistic scenarios reaching $800 billion for tech and $9.5 trillion for lifestyle. Even in pessimistic models, tech still lands near $500 billion. And who's leading these niches? In tech, creators like Marques Brownlee, with 18 million subscribers, ride 10 to 20 CPMs and 20% YoY growth. While in lifestyle, giants like Kayla Itsines have built entire ecosystems. Her fitness app topping $100 million with 15% commissions and over 1 million users. Huda Kattan turned beauty content into a $500 million plus brand with 30% repeat buyers and over 50 million Instagram followers. Operationally, tech creators often invest around $1,000 upfront and $300 per month in tools, while lifestyle creators spend around $500 upfront and $200 per month on content production and social ads. In a 6-month window, medium tech creators average $40,000 revenue versus $8,000 cost, giving 400% return on investment, while lifestyle hits $50,000 revenue versus $7,000 cost, landing an impressive 614% ROI. And yet the biggest secret? Hybrid niches, like tech fitness apps or AI-powered beauty tools, deliver up to 20% ROI uplift and combine tech's passive income potential with lifestyle's massive volume. So what's the real takeaway? Tech wins in scalability, recurring commissions, and long-term income. Lifestyle wins in influence, volume, and emotional demand. Both are growing at a 15% compound annual growth rate toward 2028. But tech could spike to 25% thanks to the AI boom, while lifestyle might dip to 5% if saturation sets in. And that brings us to you. With so much opportunity, from $10 to $20 tech CPMs to $9 trillion lifestyle markets, which world will you choose? The niche built on innovation, or the niche built on human desire? Either way, the future belongs to the creators who understand the data, because the data never lies.